Mexico is still meeting its targets set by the state to reopen more of the economy. But health officials don't want everyone to get their hopes too high just yet. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhardt spoke with the state's top doctor today about the latest COVID-19 trends and where we could be headed.
Dr. David Scray says seeing lower daily case counts in our statewide average lately is encouraging, but any loosening of restrictions will still be gradual, as we're seeing today with an announcement that indoor dining will be allowed this weekend again at 25% capacity.
I think the question of how long do we have to be in a good place before we start reopening is a really good one. We know that one day is not long enough because we tried that around Memorial Day and had between Memorial Day weekend and 4th of July weekend this huge upturn in cases.
Now you can see the uptick in daily case counts Dr. Scrace was referring to in this graph, where cases went up in June and July and have started to trend down again. The state uses a 7-day rolling average to track COVID-19 cases, which takes into account the date a test was taken. Our latest 7-day average is 116 cases, down from a 320 per day average the state saw last month. New Mexico is also hitting its targets for testing numbers, contact tracing, and hospital capacity, all good signs. Now you can see on the U.S. map that's tracking state reopenings, New Mexico has moved from red to yellow, but surrounding states are still trending poorly. I asked Dr. Scrace today about travel since the governor's 14-day quarantine is still in effect for anyone coming into New Mexico from out of state, and it's clear from Sunport traffic that a lot of people still aren't traveling.
You know, it's really hard because we're wired to get together with families over holidays like Memorial Day, Labor Day, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, and Christmas especially. And these are going to be years where I'm going to have to quote myself by saying there are just some things we're going to have to give up for just 1 year until we're all vaccinated.
Now, with Labor Day in mind, health officials are asking people to avoid large gatherings at their homes so that we don't see another uptick in cases. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now, among the state's top priorities is the reopening of our schools. We'll have more on what the doctor says about that coming up at 5:30.